Hi, so this is Aaron Law here, and I'm going to be showing you one of the features I looked at during my usability test, and it's trying to set up navigation between web pages on Jimdo. And so, depending on which buttons you're trying to link, if I'm looking at these guys up here versus these ones down here, this task can be either really pretty easy, or it can have some kind of big issues with it, because these buttons down here have a weird overlap problem that they said that I don't know how they got to, but it's kind of annoying, and it can be resolved through trying to do it a little bit differently, but we'll get to that in a sec. So if you're trying to make pages and give them navigation in Jimdo, and you're using it on this bar, and this bar is present on every single page, it appears. It's pretty easy, because anytime that you make a page with this system, it adds a new button right here. You can see that it already just showed up, and it sends you to that next page really easily. So we'll say page 5, and save it. And we come here and we can switch over to this next page, and it's here. It's really quick and easy, and it's done. But down here, this button has a couple more issues, and in terms of usability, I think it's a pretty big problem. Because if you're here and you didn't realize how to, it's not really a fix, but circumnavigate it, it could be really frustrating. So these buttons kind of can link you to all over the place, and I'll show you the problem. So see this? This is the link button. Click it, and it just sent us someplace else, and it's not really what we want. So, I come down, and I can keep trying this for forever, and I'm going to get nothing. It just keeps doing the same thing over and over again, and it tries to send you to a new web page. But what I found is that if I click here, it moves it down a little bit, and then I can send it to any of the pages that I already do have existing, or I can give it an external link. And that's really what this button seems to be for, because there's not really any reason to link it to a page that you already have when it's all up here, except for, if you're, this more button sends you to a new page related to that. But it's kind of silly that this link button is really only usable unless you've actually clicked on it, because all these changes tend to pop up in the Jimdo in other systems because this add element pops down, so I thought that would be it. Anyways, so that's kind of the big issue I found, and I hope that you learned something from seeing this video. Thanks.